Hello ladies, in this video I'm going to discuss with you for a few minutes about the benefits of infrared light therapy and infrared saunas. I also want to share with you a little bit about the differences between the two, as well as show you and explain to you some of the different kinds of infrared light therapies and infrared saunas that exist out there. So infrared light therapy by its very nature is defined as the kind of therapy that you can use to target inflammation, helping to reduce inflammation, reduce pain, also helping to help cell repair in a specific area in your body. So whereas infrared saunas are designed for you to sit in the sauna and benefit from inflammation reducing, boosting your immune system, helping cell repair, detoxing, potentially even weight loss, although personally I have never lost weight from using an infrared sauna, by sitting in the infrared sauna for usually between 30 to 45 minutes. So personally what I do is I go to an infrared sauna place at a location of a franchise called Restore, and I will include that information with this video so that you can check it out. But they also have other spas, their massage places, sometimes even other kinds of doctors may even have infrared saunas available to you, and you can go there, or you could potentially buy your own. The biggest thing I would caution you against is buying something too cheap. So there are infrared sauna blankets and portable infrared saunas, things out there that you can get. Personally, I'm not really a big fan of them, partly because of the EMFs, which is electrical magnetic frequencies that it exhibits that can actually negate and in some cases even make using it worse than if you didn't use it. And so I have personally chosen to wait until I have the space and finances to be able to get an actual cedarwood infrared sauna installed at my house. So in the meantime, I just go to Restore to do it, and then I actually do own personally some of my own infrared light therapy machines. So now I'd like to show you what some of those are and explain to you how you can use some of those. So the first one, this is kind of a little mess here, but you can see how it has the different Velcro. It has the little infrared light things here, and it plugs in, so you have to plug it in. And this particular one is one that you wrap around your knee to help with knee pain, so you can rotate, put on the right knee, left pain, that knee, that kind of thing. And since I had knee surgery earlier this year in March, still have some knee issues, I'm actually going to have to do stem cells in order to avoid double knee replacement sometime in the next 3 years. This is a must-have for me. I just got this on Amazon. You can find it there. They also have on there, I've seen one specific to the neck, the back, the shoulders, different things like that. But anyhow, designed to specifically target a certain part of the body. In this case, this one is for the knee. This is actually what my infrared light panel looks like. And some places, so like Restore has an infrared light therapy thing you can get. So it basically has the equivalent of about 8 of these that you take off your clothes and you stand in between and are able to benefit from it for the entire body. This is designed to target just one area at one time. So I use it most frequently on my neck and thyroid area because I have Hashimoto's, which is the autoimmune disease of the thyroid. So that's what I use it for. But you could also shine it on your knees, on an area on your back, that kind of thing. Has a 10-minute timer, and when you turn it on, let's see here, I do have it plugged in. Let's see here, oh, I've got to switch it on actually. Then you can see how it shines the red light there. Let's turn it off there. But anyhow, use it at 10 minutes at one time, and you do have to put on these special glasses if you're doing it on like a face or neck area so that you don't damage your eyes from the infrared light. So that's what this infrared light panel is like. Okay, then I also have this infrared light lamp, and this comes from a company called Sauna Space, and if you turn it on, you can see that it shines really, really bright. And I will use this to shine this on like my neck or thyroid area for just like a couple minutes, or on like my back area or stomach area, like during that time of the month when I'm having menstrual cramps, different things like that. So it works really, really well. Sauna Space does also sell an in-home tent sauna where basically it comes with, I think, 4 of these lamps that you can sit in. So the main thing is to just do some of your homework and your research. Personally, I really like having at least one actual infrared light therapy device in addition to the whole sauna. Because like I said, the sauna is really more for detoxing, sweating, doing your whole body, whereas it is really nice to have the infrared light therapy to target like a specific area in your body. And these infrared light therapy machines, so like this lamp was, I think, about $250 to $300. I got it on a sale. And same with my other infrared light thing. My knee wrap was only, I think, about $50 or $60, so it's a lot cheaper than having to pay several thousand. Like if you get a cedarwood in-home infrared sauna, you're looking at least $4,000 probably, and in some cases maybe upwards of $10,000. So depending on the device that you get and where you get it from, the size, that kind of thing, there's a lot of different things that go into taking a look at infrared saunas and how much they cost. Like I said, I'm definitely not a big expert on it, just know enough to know that I've decided that an in-home one and probably a cedar one is the one I want to actually buy when I actually buy one. So in the meantime, I just go to Restore and use theirs. So anyhow, hope you have found this information helpful in demystifying and understanding the benefits of infrared light therapy and infrared saunas. Like I said, I'll include some links with this, and feel free to reach out and let me know if you have any more questions or want to have a conversation with me.